Hi guys, this is the reading of our water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces. Okay, let's see what's up with our water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces. And if you want a personal reading guys, you can just direct message me here and inquire in my admin team for the price of the personal reading, okay? Ayan, tingnan na natin guys. Anong meron sa ating mga water sign? Okay. Cancer, Scorpion, Pisces. Hala, bakit ko hinati ng ganun? So, ganyan na lang yan. Hinati ko ulit, nakita nyo? Okay. Wow, Seven of Swords. Okay, Seven of Swords. Knights of Cups. Parang ayaw mo munang tumanggap ng manliligaw ngayon, water sign, Cancer, Scorpion, Pisces, or you're so tired of lying to yourself. Okay? Andito kasing Seven of Swords. Parang pagod ka na. Ayoko na ng ganito. Ganyan yung energy. Okay? Ayoko na ng ganito. Pagod na akong lokohin yung sarili ko. Four of Swords and the Seven of Swords. Okay? Yun yung napipick up ko. Ayoko ng ganito. Tama na. Gusto ko na magpahinga. Ayoko nang lokohin yung sarili ko. I just want to be who I am exactly. Okay, yun yung napipil ko dito. Okay? Yeah, let's see. Kasi parang meron dito. Parang meron kang nakadil with the Knights of Cups na sa una lang. Okay, sa una lang ang galing-galing. Pero pagdating nung kalaunan, wala na. Wala na, zero na. Okay, zero na. As in, zero na. Kumbaga, nagbago na. Biglang nagbago, biglang pumangit yung ugali. Something na ganun. Parang lokohan na lang yung connection yung dalawa. Something like that. Okay, let's see. Please give me clarification about the water sign. Cancer, Scorpion, Pisces. Please, guide spirit, give me clarification about the water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces. Okay. Tingnan natin. Ano yung... Okay, wag mo daw i-shuffle ulit. Okay, sabi ng guide spirit. Two of Swords. Yeah, okay. Nine of Coins. The start. Alam mo, believe ako sa'yo, kahit na nagdaan ka na sa ganito, parang paulit-ulit kang niloko, tapos paulit-ulit kang pinaasa nung tao na yun. Andito pa rin yung ano ka pa rin, mahaba pa rin yung pasensya mo. Okay? For some of you pero yung some of you guys, yung iba naman din sa inyo, maikli yung pasensya. Okay? And then, the universe is telling you also na you just need to stay grounded. Okay? Stay grounded. Kumbaga, habaan mo pa yung pasensya mo para sa sarili mo at heal yourself also with the temperance. Kasi parang sobra-sobra na yung mga binibigay mo na pasensya. Pwedeng ganun eh. Ganun yung na-channel ko. Ganun yung napipick up ko na energy. Okay? And then I have here the Nine of Coins, the Star, Two of Swords. I am seeing here na hindi ka makapag-decide, although wala kang piring dito. Okay? Wala kang piring dito, but you cannot decide yet kasi you're still on fire. You're still not healed yet. Kumbaga, wala ka pa dun sa punto na gusto mo nang mag-decide. So, gusto mo na lang muna ng Four of Swords kasi kailangan mo mag-heal, kailangan mo mag-isa muna for you to rethink everything. Kasi gusto mo ng Nine of Coins. Yung Nine of Coins dito, gusto mo ng peace of mind, gusto mo ng happiness. Parang gusto mong maging ikaw na. Gusto mo maging kontento na sa sarili mo. Ganun. Kasi andito yung talaga nagpipray ka sa mga stars sa gabi. Talagang nag-hope ka na gusto mo na talagang maging masaya. Kahit eto na lang universe, ibigay mo sa akin yung maging masaya ako. Ganun yung na-channel ko, water sign, Cancer, Scorpion, Pisces. Kahit eto na lang universe, gusto ko na lang maging masaya once and for all. Kasi I am just really hoping I still have the courage na I really want to be happy. I really want to have a peace of mind. 'Di ba? And I see you have a pet. Okay? Kung hindi man, nakikita ko dito kambing. Kung hindi man kambing, aso, pusa. Okay? You have a pet. Parang siya yung laging karamay mo. Lalo na kapag ka down na down ka. Siya yung laging nagtatanggal ng stress mo. Parang stress reliever. Etong pet mo na to. Okay? So, just take good care of that pet kasi talagang malaki na itutulong niya sa'yo. Ha? And then, yeah, let's see what could be the messages from our hidden hearts. Tingnan natin ano yung ibabato sa'yo ng ating oracle cards. Let's see. Please give messages for the water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces. I feel like pwedeng sa marriage to, pwedeng sa relationship. Parang ganon. Something na ganon. Okay? Kasi, ayun no, parang nag-hold on ka na lang. Kasi may kailangan lang talagang panghawakan. Alam mo yun? May kailangan lang talagang itaguyod. Mga ganon. Alam mo, beauty. Siguro I am talking with the feminine energy. Kasi ang ganda mo, oh. Kumbaga, malakas yung charisma mo. At kind-hearted. Talagang mabait ka na tao. Okay? Kahit na ano pa yung gawin sa'yo, sabihin sa'yo. And then I have here the self-growth. Yeah. You're really, really, really finding yourself. You're really nurturing yourself. You're healing. And you're trying to find your soul. Soul finding oh. Ayan oh. Kumbaga talagang naka-attune ka ngayon sa iyong higher self, sa iyong meditation talaga. Kasi nakita ko rin dito sa ilalim ng deck. Ito talagang nagme-meditate. Okay, parang ang meditation may Gayatri mantra. Ayun nagme-meditate. Okay. Kasi talagang you're really focused to yourself. Gusto mo talagang mag-heal na. One day, someday, somewhere, another time. Don't worry kasi one day, mapupulfill mo din yan. At masasabi mo sa sarili mo one day, yes, I made it. Okay? Yes, I made it. Yeah. So, talagang painful din yung pinagdadaanan mo ngayon. Stress ka, sobra. Na-stress ka, parang may pagsisisi na dinadanas ka ngayon. May pagsisisi, may guilt, okay? So, stress out ka ngayon okay? Then, let's see what could be the angel can give a guidance for you. Okay, tingnan natin. Please give me guidance for the water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces. Okay. Okay, wag mo daw ikat. Ayan, sabi ng mga guide spirit ko. Wag ko ikat, wag ko pala i-shuffle. Okay, separation, yan. Time apart from your partner is on the horizon. Kumbaga, kailangan mo muna talagang mag-deal sa kanya ng, let's say, cool off, ganyan, separation muna, hiwalay muna kayo kasi kailangan mong mag-grow, kailangan mong ayusin yung sarili mo, okay? Kasi marami kang kailangan i-attune sa sarili mo, okay? Soulmate, yes, this is your soulmate. If you are dealing with the your partner right now, tapos iniisip mo na kung siya na ba talaga, yes, siya na. Pero may isa pa ako nakikitang scenario dito na kung hihingi ka ng separation din sa partner mo, possible makilala mo na yung soulmate mo. Okay? Yung twin flame mo. Something na ganun. Okay? Possible na ganun. Ha? Okay, let's see. Yeah, reconciliation. Someone from your past is returning to your life. This could be your soulmate. Diba? Yung card kanina, this could be your soulmate. Kasi, lumabas to bago ito. So, yeah. Kapag ka nakipag-separate ka sa iyong karelasyon ngayon, kung sino man yan, probably talaga, eto na, matagpuan mo na talaga yung para sa'yo. Okay? Kasi ganun talaga guys, ha? Kung gusto mo talaga na makilala siya, okay? Nare-require kasi talaga ni universe yan na kailangan ng space for the new energy. You have to clear out the energy. Okay? You have to be available for your soulmate and for your twin flame. Then, ito yung, I have here the chemistry. Ito yung mararamdaman yung dalawa. Okay? Pag nag-reconciliate kayo. Kasi may chemistry. There's a strong magnetic attraction here. Probably, mas may edad to sa'yo. Okay? Kasi, ayan basta, parang may spark. Pag nagkita kayo uling dalawa, may spark talaga. Okay? Talagang iba yung magnetic na mangyayari. Yung pagkikita nyo pa lang, as in, obvious na yung energy. Hindi mo maipaliwanag. As in, nandun yung love. Andun yung pagtalon talaga. Na, as in, tatalon ka sa sobrang tuwa. Okay? At yun lang guys. And mag-ingat po tayong lahat. God bless po and good luck.